I'm going to talk to you about setting up weighted grades in your class. So you start by going to assignments because every assessment you have in your course, assignments, quizzes, and discussions all live here. They have their own areas, but this is where they all sit together so that you can set up weighting. It's done by groups, and so this is a group, the assignments, imported assignments. Every time you import something, you have to make sure you come back here and check that it's in the right group when you as you go throughout the semester in case you pull something in from another course. So what I'm going to do first is just rename the ones that are here. Assignments is definitely one of my categories. Another category I use is I'm going to name it. Oh, I didn't want to do plus. I just want to add. Sorry, I want to edit. And I'm going to call this one quizzes. Oh, exams. I do exams and quizzes because I have probably two. Um, and then I'm going to hit save. And now I need to add a few more. So I have, so I do another one. I'm going to do group plus group. This one is discussion, questions, and participation. And then hit save. And then my final project, another group, is in its own category, as it's 20% of the grade. Applied final project. And I'm going to hit save. So what I then do is I go ahead and just, start dragging my assignments into the assignments area. I start moving them around. I just keep adjusting. This is a discussion, so I would put this down here. And I'm going to treat this as my final, even though it's not. I'm going to treat it like it is. And here we go. I don't actually have any quizzes in here, but I'll leave a couple in there just so that you can see how that division would happen. So what I'm going to do now is, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So I'm going to go into the ellipses up here and do assignment groups weight. So the first thing you do is just check the box to turn it on. And now all you have to do is enter your values. So my assignments are 55%, my exams are 15, my discussion questions are 10, and my final project is 20% of the grade. And I hit save, and it should, let me go back into that and show you. I'm sorry, I went by fast. It should equal 100%. So if I hit save, the great thing is it tells you the totals at the top of each of the groups so that you can visually see. I also, I actually add another group, and I call that final letter grade. Oops, I'm not doing the right thing. Let's go back. Did assignment. I want to add another group. I'm going to call it final letter grade. And I add this a little bit later in the semester, but I set it. Now you'll notice when you add a new group, because you set up weighting, the percentage there right underneath where you type the new name. So if I hit 0, that means I don't want that to be part of their grade. I just want a field when I have their final grade calculation. I put a separate field in and I can type in the letter grade they got so that they have that visual there before I report final grades. So, but that's it. That's how you weight your grades.